And what does pear start with? P. Good job.
The P.
Yeah, that's the P. Okay, what else can you find in there?
Lobster.
A lobster. What does lobster start with? It's got ooey gooey. Can you pull the ooey gooey off?
Yeah.
Okay. What does lobster start with?
Ale.
L. That's right. Can you put it down with the L?
Yeah. Where's the
Where is it? It's down there. Oh, careful. Sit up.
What? What?
Okay, good job. Mommy don't want you to fall. Okay?
Okay.
Get the next thing out of the ooey gooey. Oh, what is that? What shape is that?
Ale.
What shape is it?
Ale.
Look. What shape?
It's a... What shape?
What shape is that?
A heart.
A heart. And what does heart start with? Heart.
H.
H. Here you go.
H.
Put it there. Good job. What else can you find?
This
And what is that?
is a cup for medicine.
That's right. So a cup. What does cup start with? Cup. What do you think that starts with? Gotta get all the seeds out. There you go. What does cup start with?
C.
C. C's over here. Yep, good job. All right, let's see what else is in there.
What's in?
You're going to have to dig. It's okay if your hands get messy.
Dig.
Yep.
Dig.
What shape is that?
A star.
A star. And what does star start with? S is over here. Yep, good job.
What's the ooey gooey?
Keep digging.
Dig.
Yeah, dig through the ooey gooey.
Dig.
Oh, what's that?
Orange.
Orange. And what does orange start with?
O.
Oh, O's down there. Good job. Keep digging.
Dig. 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 Dig.
Gotta really dig. Move it all around.
What is this?
That's ooey gooey. What are those?
5 strands.
Yeah, fibrous strands. Oh, I saw something right there. What's that?
A marble.
A marble. And what does marble start with?
Yeah.
Down there. Good job. Okay, keep digging.
Dig. 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 I saw something.
You did?
No.
Dig it real deep under.
I see something.
Oh, what's that?
It's a...
What is that?
A what?
A rock. And what does rock start with? Rock.
Wah. Oh.
R. It's down here. Down here. Good job. Okay.
Could
What
you,
else?
Mommy, could you help me
You want Mama to do some?
Yeah.
Woo, see how Mommy's getting in the ooey gooey? Oh, I saw something. Look, get it right there. What is that?
A ball.
A ball. What does ball start with?
A.
Ball?
This is ooey gooey.
Yeah. What does ball start with? Okay, tell Mommy what it starts with, and I'll help you put it there. What does ball start with, Gina?
B.
Yeah, B. Let's see. We may have gotten all of them.
Maybe so.
Let me see.
Something else?
Well, I bet we could do this. What does pumpkin seed start with? Pumpkin. Or we could do seed. What does seed start with?
I don't want to do
You don't want to do the seed? Okay.
No.
All right, I think you got them all.
I'm going to do another.
Okay, maybe Mama can hide some more.